Hi, this is Beau Burchfield, and this is my cross-platform mobile development week 3 video. A lot of the things that needed to be done in week 3 on this Android app, I had already implemented last week. So there were still quite a few things to do, but I don't think nearly as much as others. So we'll go ahead and get started with the rubric. Updating data, we'll go ahead and wait for that until after I've signed in here. So we'll skip to data validation. The app restricts user input based on data expected in all instances, and I'll go ahead and show you a few of those things. For example, when you try to use the email to sign in here, if you just put some random things, you have some warnings come up in that shake animation, which I think is kind of snazzy. So it says you must enter a valid email. So we'll do that, and the password must be at least 7 characters in length. And that's really all the validation there. That takes care of the pattern validation to check and make sure the email's valid. And as far as the password goes, it just checks to make sure that there's at least 6 characters. I know you can get quite a bit more complex with that, but those systems are again quite a bit more complex. So we'll hit sign up here, and it tells me that the account already exists because I've already created an account with that email. Other than that, you will receive like a toast saying account created if it's a new account. So we'll go ahead and sign on. Oh, also here, you have it checking to make sure you actually have something in the fields. And even if you have something in the fields, it makes sure that you have a valid email. I'll go ahead and sign into the iPhone application too to handle some future parts of the rubric. All right, there we are, to the user data screen. Now, the same thing here with data validation. First, it checks to make sure that there's anything in the fields, and then it makes sure that there's a number in this place. So we'll go ahead and put 222, and we'll hit change. All right, so it checks and makes sure that this is a range validation. It checks to make sure that there's nothing above 120. So I'll go ahead and put my actual age in, and my actual name, and the hometown that I grew up in, and we change. And as you can see, it instantly updates it on that side. So I didn't poll Firebase to go ahead and handle synchronization. I didn't poll Firebase because there was really no need. Basically, the UI changes anytime that the Firebase information has changed. So anytime it's changed, it automatically synchronizes. So there's really no reason to poll every 20 seconds or something to that nature. So other than that, restricts user input based on data expected in all instances, which it does. App allows updating of user restricted data, and the app UI is always up to date with server information. It's absolutely automatic. It happens almost instantly. To network detection, application detects network status and only restricts CRUD functionality. So what we need to do is turn off the network. So now that the network is off, you'll see that if I try to change anything, if we hit change, it gives you a warning or an alert that says not connected. So it will not let you change. It will also not let you delete information. And if you log out and you attempt to log in, it will give you an alert there as well. So no CRUD functionality, no functionality whatsoever is allowed. But as you saw when I turned off the network, it does not sign you out of the app. You stay logged in unless you actually intentionally physically log out. So we'll go ahead and put that back on and go back to our application and log in as we should. So as far as synchronization, you've seen that. Network detection, everything is detected on the network. Data validation, everything is validated. And updating data, you're able to update user restricted data already. It uses a float value and 2 string values. And so you're able to only look at your restricted data. So that's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.